YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Hey, man, look at this, what I got right here, man. Yes, you see it, man. I added some LEDs into the hood scoop grill. Yes, real functional hood scoop. And I added a little something back here on the back window, man. Yes, sir. Hey, man, you see that YouTube logo? That means go like, go share, y'all subscribe, man, to the channel, man. You feel me? But look at this, man. Yes, sir. Hey, man, if anybody want to know where I got this from, man, I got this off of lightingtrends.com, man. Yes, lightingtrends.com. That's where I got the little LED board. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all more a little bit, not really in depth, but I'm gonna show you just a tad bit more. But like once again, got this off of LED lightingtrends.com too. Comes with an app. You feel me? Yes, sir. Got it wired up, man. Got it wired up. Let me go ahead and pop the hood right quick. Yes, man. This is a real SRT for any new subscribers and new people looking. No longer the 6 piston. No longer the 4 piston. It's the 6 pistons, man. Yes, I still got my 4 piston brakes. This is a real SRT8 Magnum. Okay. It's a real boy, real daddy. Had it since 26,000 miles, and I think right now we got what? 94. Okay. Real SRT8. All right, hold on. See the custom steering wheel. See the SRT8 logo right there. Even when I started up, it say SRT8, man. So you know it's a real SRT8. All right, so let me pop this hood right quick, man. Cause you know I ain't trying to do too much talking about some rambling about some other shit. Look at Winnie the Pooh doing his thing over there. But yeah, but this do a lot of shit, man. Know what I'm saying? I'll probably throw a screenshot. Like a different, I ain't gonna say different modes, but I think you can select like 4, 6. I'm gonna say 12 per row, and I think it's 5 rows. So you see that right there? That's the Fast and Furious. You know what I mean? See that? It just have different things, man. You could pick on the app, man. You know what I'm saying? And also, let's go to the front right quick. Hold on. Let me go turn this on right quick. Let me turn this on right quick. All right. Whew. Should have shot this video a long time ago. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. You see it. You see it, man. Yeah, I did this all myself. You know what I'm saying? See this down here? That's what I pulled this. It's the coolant, man. Upper radiator hose, man. Y'all see that right there, man. You normally have it in blue and green 90% of the time, man. You feel me? So yeah, looks pretty good. Looks dope. You can adjust the speed, adjust the brightness and all that crap. You do all that, man. Like I said, got it wired up, even all the way up around. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That right there. But I'm probably put a screenshot of what it looks like on the app. I can't do that while I can. I'm gonna put it on the screen. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you see the Iron Man. Man, what's that little character? I don't know. I don't even remember what that character is. See the Supreme logo? Did that? You know what I'm saying? Remember, you could put pictures on here too. I did this right here. Last of a Dying Breed. Yes, because it's a Magnum is the last of a dying breed, and I am a last of a dying breed. You feel me? But this does so much, man. So much. Like I said, I'm gonna put some things on the screen so y'all can see what it can do. You can put your own pictures up here too, the best way you can. Some things don't come out the way you wanted to, but don't use them. See the Pac-Man. Catch me if you can. It's a lot of preloads on the app, man. So, but let's I don't see the eye right here. I think everything run like 8 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Then you can adjust it though, but I think most of them run like 8 seconds, man. See if I go to the other side right quick. See if that changed anything. The fire logo. The fire is dope. See Goku or whoever the hell that is. this do get a lot of kick, man. You know what's so crazy? A lot of older folks, people who remember the Pac-Man, who remember the Mario Kart, all that stuff, man. Trust me, they really kind of like, it can bring back memories to them. And I do this for the kids, man. So when the kids see it, they out late, see a little bit of this and that. Just give them a little something. Hey, look at this. You know what I'm saying? This is not for be like, the way I see it, it's not for to be like, oh, this is supposed to make your car look better than somebody else. No, it's just like a little visual enhancement for the car, man. This is something to be like, oh, look, ooh, that's dope. See it, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty cool, you know what I mean? That's all the read this is for. Shout out my dude, can't remember his name, but shout out my dude in Columbus who actually put the TVs in here, man. He put the TVs, but y'all see that wasted? That's that Grand Theft Auto right there. Let's go back over here right quick. Just little cool stuff, man. Just something. Yeah, it's a Grand Theft Auto right there. But it's just something. Yeah, look at that. Crypto.com, man. Get into crypto if you ain't into crypto. I've been into crypto. And I'm up on my crypto. You feel me? Yeah. Something I be doing that, and personally, that nobody business, man. It's my personal business, man. You see that? I did that right there. I did the SRT. You feel me? But yeah, man, just so much random things that can happen and do. You know what I'm saying? But once again, man, that's really what this video about, man. It's my little LED upgrade. I'm gonna do the grill. I want to do the grill. Not saying I'm not gonna do the grill, but I feel like the hood is dope. But yeah, real SRT8 Magnum, man. Once again, y'all check my old videos out, man. They out here. And want to know how I wired it up? It's crazy. Let me show you how I wired it up right quick. Check the Instagram out. Follow if y'all need. Bam. Perfect. Wired up everything up in here, man. That's how I look like on the back. You know what I'm saying? And as soon as I unplug this, I bought this little USB off of Amazon, the 2 USB ports. Plugged it right there, perfect spot. Wired everything up inside these panels. That's that, man. You see. All right. And really, for real, you could turn these off with a remote, but normally I'll just unplug it. You know what I'm saying? So guess what? When I'm ready to turn back on, they automatically come back on, man. Yeah, man. Like I said, it's your boy Young Rich 419. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.
Young Nab, baby.